Bruh. Bitch! What up everyone, Danger Jealous, and welcome back to another Texas Chainsaw Massacre video. Today we're doing a Sonny strength build. We have a fishing grappler, taekwondo, and fish hooks. So, on the skill tree, you want to go right, and then up here you get taekwondo, and fish hooks and the fishing grappler is a random perk. And then you're gonna put 42 in strength and 37 in toughness. Alright, and let's get into the video. Alright, we are on Abandoned Mill. And they have Blackface, Johnny, and Cook. So let's do this. So what I want to do with this build is really door slams. But really this build is everything. It has door slam, backstabs, grappling. Pretty much do whatever you want, but you can't really door slam Leatherface because it is glitched right now. Unless it was unintentional. I mean, unless it was intentional, my bad. But I'm planning for pressure valve like I always do on this map. I just like going for pressure valve. It's simple. I know where I am. Like I have control in this pressure valve, even though I know it's not always going to go off. I know I'm always helping my team because it's going to be a distraction. And let's see, right there. But Sonny's actually good at door slamming because his ability. Like obviously you can see where people are, so you like know when to slam the door. I don't want to get caught here, so I'm gonna slam. I'm not slamming. Close the door right here. What's the thing about Sonny's abilities? You can actually, you can't really sprint while using it. You can still run. You can't sprint though. I'm unfortunate, but hey. And Sonny doesn't have a lot of toughness, so I need to be aware of my surroundings. My abilities for, anyways. I say if you're a strength character, you want to go for pressure valve because longer stun time is really going to help you with putting on the pressure valve, and also just being aggressive is the most aggressive approach, I would say. But we're just going to get this, we're going to get this unlock tool just in case. And yeah. Now they don't actually have hitchhiker, so we could go for fuse also.
This will help.
But I feel like fuse is kind of hard to get on this map. You can see where it spawns. It can spawn near pressure valve. I really don't like.
Do this.
I don't know where I'm going. There's someone right there. Probably Johnny. He'll come down. Is he? He might see me. He sees me. I got this. Okay, he's staying up there. I'm back down. Yes, he is. Oh, they're both coming down. Slam the door. Let's go. I'm telling you, it's good as Sonny's ability. And let's get out of here now. I want to help my teammates. And I'm gonna slam this on Johnny. Watch this. No, I wanted to slam the door on him. Yeah, I'm running. I don't care. Oh, this is really not good. Like, I'm gonna be honest. It's really not good. Oh my god. I honestly think I'm dead here. Let me lock him. Why are all of them down here? Alright, there we go. Really have to get out of the situation. This is really not good. I'm gonna go this way. Johnny's right there. Run this way. Go here. This is really not good. All of them are chasing me. No, I thought that was Johnny because I hit the chainsaw. Alright. Bro. I should really. I got an idea. Hide. He definitely found me. This is not good, bro. Come on, Sonny, just run. Just run. This is really not good, bro. I'm getting surrounded. Oh, just leave me alone. Alright, I'm mini cornered. Barge that. Go this way. Come on, bro. I really wish that glitch didn't happen so I could slam it on Leatherface. Alright, I want to lose them. Okay, turn off car right. See this? I'm actually being a distraction for my team, and if you use your ability right, you will not die. I could really... That's what I don't like about Sonny's ability. You just can't run. Oh, he's right there. I don't care. That Cook's here. Milcy's level 3 ability, which a lot of them do, but I'm trying to go up. Because honestly, this point's better to be up.
Are they really
Alright.
gone?
I'm gonna keep this big health on me. I know I turned off car battery, but why did he? Alright. It's a weird decision. No, actually. Watch this. I did not mean to unlatch it. But watch this. We do have a lot of strength. Large doors. Oh, you can't barge doors, locks on it? I really thought you could. Alright. They're over there, so I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna try to put on pressure out. I know I unlock car battery, but not confident that it's safe. Alright, over there. Oh, I thought there was a turn off generator. And I think that's our cue to go for car battery. You're near Grandpa. To be honest, I'm going to pressure valve. You know, let's really put that pressure on them. Nice, Leland is grappling them. So the thing we need to do with this build, be aggressive, but also be aware of your surroundings. Like, if there's two people chasing you, then you're pretty much screwed. It's not up there, that's unfortunate, but that's okay. I mean, to spawn over here. I really don't want to go for pressure. I'm not gonna lie. I think they're gonna target me again. I don't think these guys even know the generator's off. There was pressure valve. Pressure valve's right there. Alright, I'm gonna turn on pressure valve. It's right there. I'm gonna turn on pressure valve, then I'm go to car battery. Yeah, I'll be good. Just using this as a distraction, really, and escape from there. Okay, good. That means the army going again. And now I go to car battery. Because no one's in the way. And over here. Nope, no one's over here. And you see, Sonny can be good. Because Sonny's saying, oh, he might die. But, like, what I did down there, if they have no gap characters, then you're pretty much good. It's an atomic team. Our battery. Open. And I'm going to leave. Let's go on to the next match. Alright, we are in Family House. I don't think this is really a good map for Sonny because being overwhelmed and double teamed. Which usually happens to me. They have Sissy, Hitchhiker, and Cook. I'm in a trapping build. There's a lot of doors I can slam on this map. Probably one of the best maps. And I think I actually found a solution to my problem. So you can't sprint while using your ability. I mean, so you can't really slam the door on them, but if you know after you disable your ability, it kind of lingers for a bit. So right before you go to the door, if you linger, and you can pretty much see.
Don't even think about it, man.
I'll try to show an example. Never done it, but I'll try. I'll just make noise. It only matter. I would say never get 2 bone scraps unless you're only going for pressure out, but still, I wouldn't say just in case. Every time I do that, I get in a situation where an unlocked tool is needed, and I kind of just not be useful to my team or to myself. Matter of fact, I heard Connie open this door. I'm gonna go up here.
I got this.
Do this. There, right there. Go here. Please don't tell me it's fun. Please, I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna go back down, just be safe. If he chases me, then I'm gonna grapple him. Alright, yeah. This area's gonna keep on chasing me, but that's fine. Watch this. Slam the door on him. That's what I'm talking about. And also, I'm just getting out of here. I'm gonna run as fast as I can away. And yeah, we're pretty losing with the door slam. We don't have to use any of our materials.
I can use this.
Is that a big health? Okay, I don't want to take that. I want to go out the same exit, so I'm gonna go out this one. But I think Sonny is the best door slammer in the game. For that sole purpose. I swear there's a door over here. Doesn't matter. Hitchhiker's already distracted.
Wait. Damn it.
Should I get rid of my bone scrap? Get rid of my bone scrap. This hurting me. You gotta be joking me. It's fine. We're gonna go up. Oh. Oh, I wanted to double slam them. That's sissy. It's not good. Hopefully, it doesn't poison this area. We're gonna run out here. Sissy's probably the. Yeah, I'm going down, even though I don't know if this is unlocked. Please tell me this is unlocked. Oh, and we're screwed. Okay, thank you, Connie. Whoever did that. I want to get this. They're not coming. I do got the fuse. This is going to be annoying, but still do this. Just don't really like failing as victim. I feel like it's hard to win, especially if they cook and hitchhiker. For obvious reasons. But open basement storage. Gonna run up. This is actually, I think. Never mind, bro. I can't do anything with Cook. Literally, if you're like crouching but sprinting, he's still texting, and he's just gonna be annoying with it. Yeah, I know, old man. I'm about to grapple this bitch. Let's open this door up. Take me. Oh, he actually hit me. Ugh. Yeah, I'm going on a different exit. I don't want to. Bro, can you, like, get off my fucking dick? God, Cook is just... I'm not saying he's OP, just annoying. I really want to go up that way.
I gotta get out of here.
Who is right there? See, I'm literally, like, crouching. Bro, like, what? Bro, they need a nerf Cook. This old man is so annoying. I can't do anything, literally, if I crouch and walk, he can still hear me. If I'm moving a little bit faster. Like, please get off my dick. I'm still just gonna crouch walk, normal. Gonna know I'm here. Come on, bro. Just... It's my time. This is good. Grandpa's right there. I'm gonna go up. These box right here. These box is right there. Why? Alright, it's fine. Like, oh, I don't know why I tried slamming. Ooh, this is not good. Why is Sissy up here? Alright, I see her. She's probably in the camp there. Fine. She's gonna camp in that room. That's when it'd be like, then I'm just gonna like automatically try something else. What am I supposed to do? I walk around this. So you're just gonna camp up there? Bruh, I can't do anything. Bruh. Slam the door and really, I'm going back down. It's too dangerous. Bro, that sissy just gonna camp. That's so annoying, so I can't do anything about it. I'm gonna have to go to the back. Bro, I need some help. It's so annoying. I don't like this map, but I have to deal about it. I don't know where health is. There's health. Come on, heal me a lot. Alright. Like, I don't know what to do in this situation, to be honest. Sissy's gonna camp up there. It's annoying because they saw me pick up the fuse. Where are they? Alright. Don't worry about Grandpa. It's Connie. Try going for pressure valve. No, I know Cook's in here. Not pressure valve, fuse box. Bitch ain't gonna hear me. I'm gonna go up this way.
Just go away.
If Sissy's camping there, then.
They won't leave.
Oh, you're joking me, right? I don't see him. Run, they're both in the basement. My opportunity. Cook might hear me though, I don't care. Run, 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 run. Cook's gonna try to hear me. I'm just gonna crouch. Just gonna camp in this room. Yep. I'm gonna slam the door on this bitch. Bro, she slammed the door on me. No, she reversed it. Bitch. Fucking test me. Don't know what to do. Bro, like Cook. Get off my dick. Can't do shit here. I'm gonna come to the door right now. I'm gonna come back. You realize I can hear you. Bro, stop slamming the door on me. Don't fucking poison me. Bro, move, Sonny. Bitch. If I can do anything here. Ooh, wait. Bro, like. No. I'm dead. Okay, I got one idea. Really got one idea. Once we get surrounded here. Oh, let's do it. Come on, Sonny, get up. Come on, bro, get up. What am I supposed to do? Run, I'm really spamming A as fast as I can. It's open. I'm dead. What am I supposed to do, bro? Like, literally. I think I'm dead. That's alright. I feel like Cook's just gonna camp up there. Don't chase me. You fuck you. Door. I need another door. Barricade. Thank you. No, I'm gonna bleed out. My health looking right about now. I can't even stop. Can't even stop, bro. I know there's health over here. Come on, bro. I know there's health. Somewhere over here.
You gotta keep moving.
Someone took it. I'm dead. I'm not letting you kill me. Run. Alright, we're dead. Nothing really I can do in that situation, but you know, it's a good example of a build, really. Honestly, I couldn't grapple because I didn't want to, because they're always chasing me. But the door slam, really, I think it's really good on Sonny. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. Actually, I have no idea what I'm gonna do for the next video, but this is a really fun video idea. And goodbye, and I hope you have a good day.